Okay, so whenever a giant like Storz and Bickel, the masterminds behind the volcano and the mighty, goes completely quiet about a new project, you just know something huge is on the way. For months, the community has been playing detective, piecing together clues about their next device. Today, we're going to put all those pieces together and finally get to the bottom of it.
But first, you know the drill, we've got to cover the important legal stuff. This explainer is strictly for educational and informational purposes. We're not promoting or advertising the sale or use of any controlled substances, and no medical claims are being made here. Please be mindful of your local laws and regulations, and super important, always read the manufacturer's safety documentation before you use any device.
All right, let's dive in. When you talk about the absolute top tier, the gold standard in vaporizers, Storz and Bickel is pretty much the first name that pops in your head. I mean, they've set the bar for quality and performance time and time again. So, when whispers started circulating about a new secret project, it wasn't just chatter, it was the beginning of a real mystery.
And that mystery? Well, it kicked off a total firestorm of speculation online. If you've been on the forums, you've seen it. Enthusiasts, die-hard fans, everyone started asking the same things. What could it possibly be? Is it going to be smaller, more powerful, a replacement for one of the classics? The anticipation has just been off the charts.
So how in the world did we get from these vague rumors to an actual concrete name? Well, we followed the trail. And this is where the story gets really fun, because it turns out a few digital breadcrumbs scattered across the internet gave us everything we needed to crack this case wide open.
It all kicked off where these things so often do, on Reddit. A super simple post from a user named @420trainwreck dropped two potential names, the Easy and VEAZY. And that right there was the first real clue. It was the little spark that lit the fuse for a much bigger investigation by the community.
And it turns out those online whispers were more than just talk. They were backed up by some pretty solid evidence. People started digging into public records, and boom, there it was. Storz and Bickel had filed trademarks for both Easy and VEAZY. Then the plot thickened, because another rumor started flying that the Easy project was actually canceled, which left just one name in the running.
The final nail in the coffin, the absolute confirmation, came from the last place you'd expect. Not some leaked document, but a fashion choice. Storz and Bickel's co-founder, Jürgen Bickel, was spotted in an Instagram video wearing a shirt with a name on it that clearly started with a V and ended with a Y. And just like that, game over. The mystery was solved, the new device had to be the VEAZY.
So, with the name finally confirmed, the floodgates just opened. Storz and Bickel started dropping official details, and we went from the world of speculation straight into the land of confirmed facts. So, what exactly is the VEAZY all about?
Okay, so the VEAZY is built around three main ideas. First, it is designed to be the smallest device they have ever made, period. Second, they're pushing it as their most user-friendly product yet, which is a really big deal for making it more accessible. And third, they're promising it's still going to deliver that legendary, powerful, high-quality performance that we all expect from them.
And the best part? We don't have to wait very long to see this thing in person. Go ahead and mark your calendars because Storz and Bickel has officially announced a keynote for September 9th. That's the day they're going to pull back the curtain and show us every last detail.
So where does a device like this fit into the grand scheme of things? I mean, the VEAZY isn't just launching into thin air. It's joining an entire family of incredible devices, including another newcomer, the Venty. Figuring out its place in the lineup really tells us a lot about the company's whole strategy.
And that strategy is a classic 1-2 punch. The VEAZY is clearly, without a doubt, aimed at people who care most about portability and simplicity. You know, the grab-and-go option. Meanwhile, you've got the Venty, which is being called a successor to the Mighty, with all this advanced airflow control. That one's targeting the serious power user who wants to tweak every little detail of their experience.
But here's the thing. Storz and Bickel isn't the only name in the game anymore. The VEAZY is about to step into a very crowded and super competitive market for portable e-rigs. The competition out there is no joke, and the stakes are incredibly high.
And it's going up against some real heavy hitters. I mean, this isn't just a random list of names. We're talking about brands like Puffco and Dr. Dabber that have pretty much defined the market and have built these incredibly loyal fan bases. For the VEAZY to succeed, it doesn't just have to be good, it has to be a true game changer.
And to really get how intense this market is, you only need to know one legal term: trade dress infringement. Basically, it's when one company sues another, claiming they copied their product's unique look and feel to trick customers and steal their business. It means design isn't just about looking cool, It's a full-on battleground.
And look, this isn't just some abstract legal theory. This stuff has real-world consequences. Back in 2019, Puffco, the company behind the iconic Peak, actually sued FocusV. They claimed that the Carta device was a deliberate copy of the Peak's unique design, made just to ride its wave of success. This isn't just friendly competition, you guys. It's a legal war zone, and that's the environment the VEAZY is about to drop into.
So, okay, we know the name, we know its mission, and we know the battlefield it's about to enter. But as we get closer and closer to that September 9th keynote, there are some huge questions still floating out there. The kind of nitty-gritty details that are going to make or break this device for a lot of people.
Yeah, it all comes down to the stuff that really matters day to day. First up, the price. Storz Bickel is a premium brand, we all know that, but is this going to be an affordable entry point for new people? Then there's the battery. Is it replaceable? How long will it actually last? And finally, the biggest mystery of all, what's under the hood? The heating technology is the heart and soul of the experience, and right now it's a total black box.
So, the stage is set for a massive reveal. Storz Bickel is making a big bet that what the market really needs is a smaller, simpler, but still incredibly powerful device. The real question now is, will the VEAZY completely redefine what a portable vaporizer can be? Or will it just end up as a footnote in an already packed field? I guess we're all going to find out on September 9th.